Hello, very warm welcome. Today we are looking at another lead code question which is smallest string with a given numerical value. In this question we are given a numerical value which contains a lowercase character and each and every alphabet is associated to a given numerical value associated to it. So A corresponds to 1, B corresponds to 2 and C corresponds to 3 and so and so. Right? Now what we have to do is we have to kind of formulate, we are given a two input actually which is given n and k, and we need to formulate a lexicographically smaller string whose length will be equal to n and the numerical value equal to k. What does that mean is whatever string which I'm going to formulate should be equal to the length which is given as an input, which is equal to n, and the k which is given us is, if I compute each and every character in that particular string to the reciprocated numerical value to it, and I sum that across, then it should be equal to 27. So if we take this example, right, I've been given as input as n and 3 and 27. What I need to formulate is a string, and if you see this string, right, my y is 25, my a is 1 and a is 1. If I add all three of them, that becomes 27, right? Now how to approach this problem? So one thing is very straightforward is that considering we are going to have uh, lexicographically sorted values, I can create a string as a base string which will only contain a n times, right? And then what we have to do is we have to kind of go in reverse and see that, okay, if my index, so let's take this example, right? Let's take this example 27. Okay, now with this sorry, n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 27. N is equal to 3 and k is equal to 27. Now what we, as I said, right, first we'll formulate a string which will contain the number of a's which will equal to 3. So a, that would be this one. Now this value is equal to 3 right now if I sum that up, but what I need is 27. So what I'll do is I'll pick my last index, right? I'll see, okay, if my aaz or whatever my last index is, if I sum that up now, what will that will be? That will be 28. But what I want is 27. So I'll see, okay, my I'll do a negation of that and see, okay, if my a is equal to 27, yes it is, right? Then this is my output. So what I'm trying to do is current value 3, I'll see what is my difference, right? With my current value which is 3, right? And I need 27, right? What is my difference? My difference is 27 minus 3, right? This is my difference, which is equal to 24. So I need a value which will be 24 indexes on top of my current index, which is 1, right? So what does that I mean is, if I want to replace by a, right, if I want to replace by a value which is going to be equal to which, if I put it in that place, right, will be equal to given 27, that has to be the 25th value on top of a. So what is the 25th value in the character array? That is y. So I'll just say, okay, aay, that will be my output, right? If this is not that much clear, I think with the solution which I'm going to have, it will become pretty straightforward to understand. So let's get on to it. So first what we'll do is we'll create a char array which to contain result, whatever I'm going to have, and that will be of the length n which I'm going to return. This is my uh, result which I'm going to return. So I can just say return result, right? Now what I need to do is I need to first set all the values which are there in this given value in the result as a given value a, right? Now this is my base done. Now when the moment I did that, right, the remaining value of k would be k minus n, right? Because this is my remaining value which I need to compute, I need to work upon, because this is yet not accounted for, right? Now what I'll do is I'll say, okay, if my k is greater than 0, if my k is greater than 0, then what I'll do is, or rather while my k is greater than 0, because I have to kind of keep on doing it until unless uh, I get the respective expected value. What I'll say is, what is my minimum value, right? Minimum value in terms of math.min, in terms of whatever my current list of values are, 25 or k. Why I'm saying 25? Because I've already given a as a value, so I already accounted for the 26th value, right? So what is my minimum of these two? I'll pick that. So whatever that will be, I need to sum it up and add it to the value on that given index when I go into the reverse order. Talking about reverse order, I have to say start something like n minus 1, right? So let's have an index which will be for starters n minus 1. So my result n minus 1 will be equal to my character with the min value, whatever that will be, 2 char 97 plus min. Why did 97? 97 is in sky code, which corresponds to the character a. So a is already accounted for plus min, whatever the value which comes out of this. The moment I accounted for this, right, my k's updated value will be k minus min, because I reduced that much number to it, and index minus minus, just to keep the loop going, right? So and what I need to return is return new string. I need to return a string, right? And return new string. Now what happened here, right? Just to give a, so assume that I am given a value, say k is equal to 2 and n is equal to 2, right? Now what I need to do here, I'll populate everything to given value, which is aa. So I'll just create a string which is aa. What will my k value after populating it? It will be 0. So I don't need to go inside this loop, and I simply return whatever the result is, right? I assume this would have been say 3, right? N is again 2. I have my aa now, right? Now and what will the remaining k value will be? K value which will be 1, because that will be 3 minus 2, that will be equal to 1. Now I'll go inside this loop. I'll say, okay, what is my min? Min of 25 and 1 will be 1 with this example. And what will my result in this case? N minus 1, which will be 1, which will be equal to 97 plus whatever the min is, 97 plus 1, which will be 98. And if I convert that to be a character, that will be p, right? So once I do that, what will my k will be? My k will be equal to k minus min, which will be equal to 0, because my k was 1 and whatever min was also 1. This becomes 0. Index is updated to 0, but that really doesn't matter, because this time my k is equal to 0. The loop will terminate, and my ith index, the one is index, will be updated to p. I believe this would have been self-explanatory here. Let's try and run this code and see what happens. At least that's the intention. It should work fine, but let's see. Okay, it didn't. I got an error which is saying result is a variable, but it is used as a type. Let's see, where did I go wrong? So one place which I can see is while talking I missed this, because I created an index there, so that should be this. So one thing was this one. Let's see if there's any other mistake. So sorry for that, guys. This has to be a char. So I got AAY. Let's submit it. Cool, it got accepted. So if you look at the complexity will be equal to O of n, but n will not be, means whatever that value n will be, or you can say O of k, because we are in worst case scenario we are going to have add one value to it. So this is it. In case you like this explanation, please go ahead, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please go ahead and write it in the comment section. We'll be very happily going to resolve the problem. Thank you. Thanks a lot.